children! Look what we have here today! Would you like to guess what experiment we will be doing? Oh, you think we will be doing a water experiment because you see cups of water? That's interesting. Follow me to find out.
The aim of the experiment is for you to make predictions through a record sheet and provide two possible reasons for the predictions before the experiment, to find out what will happen when 5 different substances are each added into a cup of water. You will also be able to draw during the experiment 5 observations when salt, green tea powder, gummy bear, sand, and pepper are each added and stirred into water. Here are the materials required for the experiment. 5 half-filled clear plastic cups each with label of the named substance, 5 containers of substances namely green tea powder, gummy bear, sand, salt, and pepper, a colorful record sheet, and lastly, stationery for drawing and coloring.
Before starting the experiment, you'll use this colorful record sheet to make your guesses on whether the 5 substances can or cannot dissolve in water. You see the green tick, it means can dissolve, and the red cross means cannot dissolve. You will make your guesses by ticking a box under the green tick or red cross in the blue column. Children, so let me ask you, what do you think will happen when green tea powder is added into water? Oh, Tom says green tea powder will dissolve because it is fine and soft. So, I will put a tick in the box under the green tick in the blue column. And we will see if his guess is correct later. After recording your guesses, you can finally start the experiment. First, add 2 spoons of green tea powder into the water. Then, stir until you see no more changes. So children, let me ask you, what did you observe about the green tea powder and color of water? Are you still able to see the green tea powder? Or is there a difference in the color of the water? If yes, what difference is there? After observing, you will draw your observations in the cup under the pink color. I see that the color of the water has turned green, so I will color the cup green. After drawing your observations, you will place the cup under the heading can dissolve or cannot dissolve. So because I don't see the green tea powder in the cup anymore, so I will place the cup under the heading can dissolve. As seen in the video, the experiment promotes the process skill of predicting, where children are encouraged to make predictions on the result of adding 5 substances into water and provide reasons for their guesses to show their prior knowledge with regards to the topic. This is reflected in Tom's response where he said that green tea powder will dissolve in water because it is fine and soft. In addition, the experiment promotes the process skill of observing and recording, as children look at the changes that occur in the substances and water and draw their observations. Furthermore, the experiment nurtures the disposition of sense of wonder and curiosity. It sparks children's interest to explore and discover new concepts and encourage them to ask questions about why things happen when they observe the differences in their predictions and the actual outcome of the experiment. In the process of which, it also draws on their engagement in the experiment as children actively seek new opportunities to build on their prior knowledge and construct new understandings about dissolvable and non-dissolvable substances.